For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za. Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. It's Mamelodi Sundowns 0, TS Galaxy 2. Mdlalo not Petro Premiership, Nedbank Cup, askis. Mhlaba wena uyanqatha wena.
Ngani mwana?
Wena uyanqatha wena.
Hey, volume iphezulu
Wena kokuqala uyichumi yami.
Yeah.
Okwesibini Sifavor Madrid sobabini.
Yeah.
Okwesithathu Sifavor Arsenal sobabini.
Mina ne-Arsenal.
Sifavor Arsenal sobabini.
Ngifavor Chelsea shade.
Sifavor Chelsea.
England,
I've seen
yes.
you rocking an Arsenal match.
No, ngijima ngaso lesi izinto zabo Arsenal.
Okay.
Ngijima ngazo
Okay, now sobabini Sifavor Dortmund. Na ichima ngayo le.
Bese like haya.
Mara la local yangishiya.
Yeah, no, like haya ngiyakushiya shade. Ngibila angisho mina ngizange shade ngifostela ukusupporta lela qembu. Yeah. Bakhona bake baphushwa ukuthi basupportela amaqembu abasupporta.
Ngoba ubaba notata basupporta lo.
Yeah. So kunomehluko shade.
Okay. Okay. Mhlabam, let's dive into it. Nedbank Cup last 16. Before starting umdlalo,
Yeah.
I was just looking at the fixtures of Sundowns since February qalile.
Yeah.
Bingumdlalo wakho wesihlanu lo kulenyanga kaFebruary. Your previous game you played against Pirates. You've also went away to go and play Bolupopo. So umdlalo wakho wesihlanu. Namhlanje it was not a surprise ukuthi coach wakho uqale nge-lineup different than leya ngolwesibini, considering the fact that nangolwesibini usenonye umdlalo ofuneka udlalile we-Betway Premiership. So were you surprised i-lineup namhlanje?
No Shane, bengekho surprise. Ithi ngibulisa uJusto,
Yeah.
ngibulisa uMstenke, ngibulisa uJunior, ngibulise noTso. Ngiyacabanga Shane ukuthi bengekho surprised mangibona le lineup.
Yeah.
But the balance of the team, the balance of i-lineup yakho. But bengazi ukuthi bakhona abadlali ucoach okumele abarest because lama game owabalayo wonke Shane uma ungabheka bekuma must win game. Even nayo le namhlanje it was a must win game, but sekuya ngokuthi uma wabheka wonke lama game yiphi bengamelanga vele ukuthi uthi uyayiluza. Bangakuchuzisa kulama game wonke bathi choose ukuluza igame e1. Kukhona igame ongasho ukuthi I rather ngiluze la, but wonke abalekile Shane ungunderstand kahle. Wonke lama game asuka abalekile, but uma ungathi uyayibheka ngapha uChelsea League, ngapha ukuma group stages we-CAF Champions League ufuna kuya ku last 8. So kunala khona Shane uzorotate khona i-team yakho, but kumele ubheke ukuthi urotate kuyiphi igame nayiphi team engidlala nayo. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi i-lineup namhlanje Shane mina bengilindele ukuthi coach uzorotate abadlali Shane.
And there were signs even like game in Paris because there were a lot of players, the Sundowns, who were cramping. So coming into this game, ubone icinga ukuthi ubani nobani angaqali boTebza uRonzo nombala kakhulu, but ke it was that change. Yeah, Aubrey,
Leon.
Yeah, well, you could see now because he was cramping. I remember that game. Pume, I think 85, if not 88 minutes. Pume got that game. So he changed the squad. Ibililekile nokho namhlanje.
Yeah, injalo Shane. Besilindele njengoba ngisho ngithi i-change bekazoba khona kule lineup eMamelodi Sundowns. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi mawungayibheka Shane bengekho balance le lineup for me. Ngikhulumile bakhona engikhulume nabo before, bacela to keep i lineup before I kick off. Ngasho ngathi sometimes kumele wenze Shane i-rotation but ibe balance.
Yeah.
Simbonile uJohannes adlala as a right back. But mina ngishizo ngathi uma ngabe unomrena unokhuliso. Khuliso ngiunderstand udlalile ama game amaningi. You can use umrena kule right back so that sibe balance at the back. Besinganayo 6 engathi uaggressive. Sometimes Shane kumele ube ne anchor eaggressive. Anchor ezokwazi ukuprotect le defense. Umdlalo okwazi ukuthi uma ngabe se attacker ku rest defense yami nginayo umdlalo ozozama ukuprotect le 2 center back because ngikhuphuka ngama wing back. So but angeke ngithi ngizoblame ucoach Cardoso ngaleyo ndlela because baningi abadlali esinokcomplaina ukuthi abanike ezithuba. Usebenzisa abadlali outside the country, outside the continent, you understand? So uyabanikeza labo badlali chance, but kumele ba show up wena Shane ba show up kulama game afana nawo nalawo because angeke bakunike I chance kuwo wonke ama game. Chance abakunikeza yona njengemidlalo kumele isebenzise. The likes of Ushasha mongambheka kunama game kunama ama chances labe kumele ngaba irepeat leya game ubheke end product yomdlalo ofana nolithako the body language we understand uyambona ukuthi i-composure like i-composure up front sometimes kunala umbona ukuthi uyayikhahlela le bhola but kunomdlalo kumele ukuthi ngabe yamphasa decision making ku final third was very poor but let me give credit ku TS Galaxy Shane asibabongise I think they did very well TS Galaxy ukuthi bawine le game beze nge game plan Shane you know ukuthi most of the time abanye banga complain nge-pitch TS Galaxy noma ingathatha Sundowns as long as idlala ekhaya kuba difficult for iMamelodi Sundowns they can take iMamelodi Sundowns iyembombela kulula ukuthi babethe iMamelodi Sundowns when they play home TS Galaxy so into engayisho ukuthi the way ba playing ngakhona badla be team TS Galaxy Shane ukuthi basebenzisa ama chances wabo even though second half batholile ama chances badlale ngawo but already besebandi balida nga 2-0 down bheka lama chances abathole ukupressa umdlali ofana no Alende kule ndawo Shane ngihlala ngikutshela ngithi kunama area namanje ngisakutshela kunama area egroundini lawo ma areas lawo akumelanga uluze kuwo ibhola because once bal interceptor or le bhola babhekane ne target it's not easy ukurecover unlike ukuluza ibhola esayitini uma uluza ibhola esayitini une cover Shane the very same person ola uluze le bhola angaphinda run ayovala lesa space but ku target Shane it's not easy so give credit to TS Galaxy I think the pressing was very good bazile ukuthi uma ngasingaba pressa la abadlali be Sundowns we know ukuthi ama wing back azoba khuphukile it's easy ukuthi bangenza mistake because remember baslowly abadlali abafana nabokhoza so ngiyacabanga ukuthi Shane I game plan yabo isebenze lapho ukuthi ekutheni uma bathola la goal babuye futhi bangayihlisa umzimba by attack iSundowns siyambona umdlalo ofana noMahlambi ngapha ka right beka banikeza iproblem because le pace anayo lo yamdlali ngiyacabanga ukuthi bekenza i-left back eMamelodi Sundowns kube nzima for yona ukuthi ikwazi ukudlala like uboy usibiya umakhuphukile uyabona ukuthi kumele ukuthi ulunga kube uyo cover lapha but ubashangana uma fika eboxini ufaka ibody ngiyacabanga ukuthi iyamnceda lento imncede kakhulu umdlalo ofana noMahlambi because usibiye bengana need Shane yokuthi angathekila lapha Shane ngifuna ukukutshela sometimes uthekila uma ngabe ushonga lento ukuthi i-striker sakho angeke sifike ebholweni but you make sure ukuthi uyafika ebholweni but bheka lento anenzani imnikeza umzimba ngapha then uyayikhahlela then it's a penalty it was a clear penalty because Shane guide kule ndawo don't allow him ukuthi alethe cross umsebenzi wakho lapha you understand so but ngiya understand umdlali osabuya ku development uzokhula ukhula ngawo ama mistake afana nalawa wena Shane so let's give credit kulela cemba I think bakwazile ukuthi badlala abozindonga bheke abombunjwane I think benze kahle Shane ukuze le 6 ofana nombunjwane umbheke ukuthi wenzani Shane beyakwazi second half ukubuya azo attack space anikeze TS Galaxy something going forward beka i-change i6 yakhe adlala as a8 especially uma baletha umdlalo ofana nomvelase ubonile ukuthi bekusekhona i-dimension lechinchayo beba alawa yena sometimes a drop umdlalo ofana nomvelase because usane energy umbunjane kube uye sometimes uma nebhola bona ukuthi Sundowns ilahlile manje because bashiya umdlalo ofana nobani noRusino umdlalo ofana noRusino uzokunikeza something uma nebhola Shane off the ball you can play umdlalo ofana nalo yaku 6 uthi ngcono agade i-defense yakho because ayikho ibhola ngithi ngikhumbula kahle ukuthi uyalwina as a 6 kumele ukwazi Shane ukuthi uyablocker kumele ukwazi ukuthi uba aggressive kunemabhola owawinayo la khona uassist defense yakho njengomdlalo odlala ku-anchor Shane so ngiyacabanga ukuthi iTS Galaxy isebenzise lawo ma chances wayo Shane but Sundowns ihlulekile ukusebenzisa ama chances wayo njengoba ngikutshela ngithi aboshasha badlala bafana nabo Lithako bayitholile leyo chance ukuthi kwazi ukuthi ba equalize or batholi early goal njengoba sibabonile but Shane uma ungathi uyibheka second half failing ukuthola igoal nge first 5-10 minutes to 15 minutes already unikeza labantu ini ubanikeza
the belief
ukuthi we can manage the game until izo yophela but if Sundowns beyithethela uma chances lawo iwatholile yabo Matthews because angazi mhlawumbe Matthews kumele ngimikise lenza sebush le ekhaya mhlawumbe uzoba right Shane kumele sikhulume lento because uMatthews angazi ukuthi yokora uma sekwenze njani
crucial chances
uMr la umdinga khona la umdinga khona ukuthi kumele ukuthi akorele
Just
khona
finish
uMatthews
it off, yeah.
uzohluleka Shane umbonile namanje ukuthi kunama chances awatholile uMatthews but uhlulekile ukuthi aconvert lawo ama chances.
Bobzin, I want to talk about Uthato Sibiya. I remember when he got his debut this season. A couple of weeks back, I just can't recall the game after Fumene Kona he debuted, but he won the man of the match. He played also the second game. Evan Gogo, we didn't see him. What I good did you see? I think for a game or two, he's back. Namhlanje uzodlala i-Nedbank Cup final. He's a professional, but he's still young. Akazucinga ngokufanayo noThemba Zwane, akazucinga ngokufanayo njengabomkhulise. But ucinga ukuthi into bahlambi xa seyifikile ku first team abambe la jersey. I know ukuthi no one owns a jersey at Sundowns, but ukuthi seku first team aphinda abuye ku TDC. Do you think mhlambi yena mhlambi into enomphatha kabi umfana ukuthi eish I thought ukuthi sendiyenzile ku first team, I'm not coming back there, but he found himself playing TDC football again.
Not him alone, ufake noKhoza phakathi. Shane
Malibongo, yeah.
Kuya ngokuthi
Mabhena,
yiphi
yeah.
reason yokuthi uye ku
Ubuyele
TDC.
pha, yeah.
Into ekumele uyinayo ukuthi what was the reason yokuthi bamsende back to TDC. Sometimes kunabadlali Shane ababuya mhlawumbe kuma injuries thola ukuthi kunama knock abatholile. Obvious angeke umthathe umlethe kuleya team ukuze ukuthi athole game time. You can send uBoy abiyele ku TDC ayothola game time if mhlawumbe ubuya kuma injuries or uyabona ukuthi kulama game ubhekane nawo angeke ukwazi ukumdlalisa because na iTDC I think ile league ebadingayo labo badlali uma ngabe mhlawumbe bazi ukuthi angeke ubasebenzise. Yes, kwabanye abadlali ungabonakala ngathi mhlawumbe kuyamdrop noma sekho ubuya khona ku TTC before hamba ya ku loan. So kumele ubheke ireason ukuthi why labadlali baya ku TTC. You understand? Because you can't keep uSibiya wazi ukuthi angeke umsebenzise and angayithola game time ku TTC. Yes, yena psychologically ingamlimaza but into ekumele engicabanga ukuthi uyayithola ku technical team ukuthi no bamnikeze reason why kumele ukuthi sikuthumele ku TDC. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi kuhluka ngale reason ukuthi why. I don't think ukuthi uma ngabe performance wise bengamikisa lapha because simbonile enza kahle. I don't think bamikisa lapha because of performance yakhe ayizange ibe yihle. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ilama reason afana nalawo ukuthi mhlawumbe abadlali ababuya kuma injuries bakwazi ukuthi bangamani bahlale Shane bathole game time kule TDC.
Bobzin, thank you so much for your analysis. Bobo, besibukele kunye lo mdlalo we-Nedbank Cup last 16 between TS Galaxy ne Mamelodi Sundowns at the sold out Solomon Mahlangu Stadium. It's TS Galaxy 2, Mamelodi Sundowns 0. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Thank you.
Hola Bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi Bafethu, I'm a coach for life. They're back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.